Nandito na kami sa loob ng Edmonton Valley Zoo at ipapasyal ko kayo. Papakita ko sa inyo ito. Ano ba ito? Ay, hindi naman penguin to. Kala ko penguin eh. Iba pala to. Ayan. Ito pala yan. North American River Otter. Ayun, ito oh. Ayun sila. You have to be careful because it's icy. Try to walk like a penguin. Ayun. So dapat ganun kang maglakad dito pagka icy para hindi ka madulas. Yung loob na yan yung community barnyard. Okay, so pumunta kami dito sa mga geodomes na ito. This is, nirentahan ito ng company namin eh. Uwi na kami, hindi kami nagtagal kasi malamig.
Oh, hey there. Come on in here. Come on in here. All right.
Okay.
You want a picture? Get over here. Get over here. Okay. We did it.
Yeah.
You coming in?
Yeah.
Okay. Another masterpiece. Excellent. All right. All right. Get over here. Get over.